This hi-fi listening room showcases an advanced acoustic design layout. The 3D renders highlight the integration of absorbers, diffusers, and bass traps for optimized sound performance. The detailed blueprints illustrate the precise placement and fixing systems used for the acoustic treatments, ensuring accurate installation and superior sound quality. The top and angled views provide a clear perspective of the room's layout and how various treatments are positioned to control reflections and bass management. During the installation process, we secured the custom corner bass traps precisely to target low-frequency buildups. This stage is crucial to achieve balanced bass response and minimize any unwanted room resonances. Ceiling installation phase: pre-drilling, securing Artnovion clips, attaching fixart tubes, and positioning ceiling panels for precise placement. Starting with the installation of the mounting clips and fixart tubes, we ensure precise placement before securing each Artnovion Sahara panel to the front wall. This meticulous process guarantees perfect alignment for optimal acoustic performance and aesthetic appeal. End results feature Siena Bass Traps in the corner, Andrea Absorbers, and Lagos Diffusers on the ceiling, and Sahara panels on the front wall, blending performance with modern aesthetics. Additionally, 2 AVAA C214 units were installed for precise low-frequency control. RT60 analysis: reverberation times reduced significantly after treatment, especially in the low frequencies. Waterfall analysis: treatment minimized low-frequency energy buildup, leading to a tighter bass response. Spectrogram analysis: resonances were reduced, creating a clearer and more balanced room sound. Transforming spaces, elevating sound: Corsini acoustic solutions.